The slide in prices that we've seen today from the Nationwide seems to be gathering momentum. Do you see any point at which it will start to see a turnaround, any point this year?
Well, I think we're going to continue to see house price falls this year, and the reasons for that are that obviously we're seeing a weakening in the economy, quite a sharp slowdown there, and confidence really has evaporated at the moment, both from lenders, from borrowers' points of view about where prices are going, and as a result, we're also seeing some tightening of lending criteria because it's a more risky time.
So we're down on prices last year. We're almost down on prices 2 years ago, but you make the point in the report that prices are still some £11,000 higher than they were 3 years ago. However, the question is now how long it'll be before we see that margin sliced off the average price.
Well, it's difficult to know. As we say, we know the economy is weakening, but there are still so many uncertainties there. We've now seen the oil price begin to slide. If that continues, then that will loosen things up on the consumer front, and it may give them a bit more confidence. And we've also seen, of course, in the financial markets, the swap rates have been coming down, and some of that has been passed through also in the price of fixed rate loans. So if that begins to affect activity, then that could be some support.
Well, the National Housing Federation seems to be quite positive about the future. If you look 5 years ahead, they said that prices will make that 25% recovery from their 2007 lows, that target there 2013. Do you agree with their prognosis?
I think it perhaps sounds a little bit optimistic to see 25% above 2007 lows by that period. I think we have seen 10 years of a real bull market in the UK, but obviously the NHF are very concerned about the increase in supply for affordable housing, and we know that house builders have been cutting back on supply, and also there have been job losses in the construction sector, so that's obviously not going to add to the supply side that would dampen house price growth.